Hello everyone. Today I will give you new working code for a grow garden. Today's video very interesting. I am going give you latest code. Video complete was to get all code. Don't skip any code. Channel subscribe to get more working code. So let's start the video. Like this video and follow my all step properly.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun